In this video we're going to discuss how to do loops, like a for loop and a while loop, and just to do a simple loop, but you can do a lot of operations in a loop. Basically a loop will do something multiple times until a certain condition is met. So first I'm going to do a for loop. So imagine if you want, I'll put this in here, for, and I'll do I in 1 to, well, let's say 10, and then I'm going to do in brackets print I close bracket. So basically print something 1 to 10, and I'm going to press the up arrow, so I'm going to call this back, and now I'm going to actually do 10 to 1. I'm going to do it in reverse order. So you can do a for loop from 1 to 10 or 10 to 1. You can, well, to any number really, but you can count up or count down. And that's sort of nice. And then there's something called a while loop. So let me do x equals 0, and then I'm gonna do while x less than 5, let's say, and then I'm gonna do print x. I'm going to do x equals x plus 1. So now basically it's going to count, it's going to print 0, then it's going to do 1, 2, and once x equals 5 it's not going to enter the loop. Okay, so see, it went from 0 to 4. Now you have to be careful about this in the sense that order is very important. If I did, instead of print there, I did, let's say, print x this way. Oh, well, actually I've got to do x equals 0. I'm going to do the up arrow, get that again. Okay, and now the difference is this goes from 1 to 5 because we started at, even though x equals 0, then we add 1. So first it checks the condition, then it adds, and it prints. Order of operations is important here. And order of operations is often important, so just be careful. So that's how you basically do very simple loops in Excel. I mean, in R. Sorry, in R. And when we get into functions, we'll get into much more complicated stuff. All right, and that's it. That's how you do for loop and a while loop in R.